Give your piece a good cleaning and then give it a scuff sand with 220 grit sandpaper. You're just barely brushing the surface with that sandpaper to break down the shine. We are using a mineral paint that is designed to adhere to the surface with minimal prep work. Brush the paint on in long strokes so that it will be smooth. The grain on this drawer is heavy, so we brush one direction so it gets in the grain and then go over it in the direction of the wood grain. After the paint has dried 24 to 48 hours, we apply a polyurethane top coat to protect and seal the paint. The next step is adding new hardware. This is a great way to update your piece. Make sure you use a level so that it comes out straight. We use decorative cardstock to create card catalog labels. We just picked it up at the craft store. We added liming wax to the top of the existing surface to brighten it up and give it a little more character. After the liming wax, we added a touch of dark wax just to add a little variation in the design. Our makeover is complete with new paint, new hardware, and liming wax.